Hello everyone, how to Tuts back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to create a checkbox related question and answer on a Google form. So sometimes we see the checkbox like this, you can see like this. So how can you create it? So for example, like you need to get another question like your best hobby. I just create it and then I just created the checkbox, or you can write here traveling, watching movies, or another cooking, or swimming, or anything you want. You can create more item, hiking, or you can also give the add other so that people can write here. And if you want to see how it looks like, then go to another. So I'm just going to show you how it looks like, and you can say your best sorry, it's a typing mistake. Like if I just go here and best hobby, set saving. So now if I go there and refresh the page, like you can see best hobby, like you can select multiple checkbox, or you can write here any uh, making friend. So you can write something here. So this way you can make the checkbox question and answer on your Google form. So okay friend, I hope this video is helpful for you, so please consider to subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching.